Hey everybody, thanks for watching. My name's Kevin. I'm with All Star Medical, and today we're going to talk about Pride Mobility's new Super Portable. This is called the Go-Go Super Portable right here. They've had this out probably going on about 2 or 3 months right now. We've got it in and want to show everybody all the features and benefits of this. What's nice about this is a folding unit. It's got a couple features that are unique to it that I'm going to show you, but it all folds into one piece. So you're not having to disassemble this. You're literally just going to fold it up and go. It has a 300-pound weight capacity. So, to give you an idea, I always like to sit in the chair so somebody can see what I look like in it. I'm 5'8", right at 200 pounds. When I go to sit in, I feel really comfortable in this. I feel like I've got plenty of room. I can put my feet up here. So plenty of leg space here. No problem. Dealing with the handles. I can also, the tiller gives you the ability where I can adjust the handles accordingly. So if I need it closer, I can do that. So real easy to deal with on the tiller adjustment here. It's really nice. You can also adjust the tiller height up and down by clicking or raising this yellow lever up here. So real basic, but pretty standard across the industry when it comes to that. One of the things about this unit here that when you turn this unit on, it's going to have a standard screen like all the other mobility scooters do here. Got a horn. I've got a place down here that's actually, I want to zoom in and we're going to show you. It's a built-in USB. So right there, we have a built-in USB. And then we have a place for the lights. So you can kind of see that up front here. See the lights there? That can come on and off. The speed dial is a rabbit or a turtle. So typically there's a dial. This is just a switch. It goes slow or you can set it to fast. Now again, you can adjust the speed by when I push my finger here and trigger. I can adjust how fast I go by how hard I push that trigger. But I like to show people that feature. The top speed is actually 4.5 miles an hour, so it's a pretty fast mobility scooter here. We've got 8-inch rear wheel tires and 7-inch rear wheel. They're solid, so you don't have to worry about inflating or doing anything like that. One of the things that I think is kind of a neat feature that they've come out with, and Pride is starting to do this on a lot of their scooters. This is a lithium battery, and it's also a lithium charger, but they have a magnetic charger now. So I can literally just click right there and you'll see that lights up. And there's really no way to mess this up. All I have to do is just, and it magnetically connects. So you're gonna have it on charge. That does mean if you ever lose a charger, you will have to get a specific one that Pride Mobility makes. You won't be able to get a universal unit. But I think as far as like anything breaking, sometimes inside the little prongs that are inside your typical chargers, they have a tendency to break. This, you won't have to worry about that. So it's a nice little feature there. Has a front little pouch. I'm a big fan of always keeping your charger with you. So you have a little pouch right here you can put stuff in. It's also got a little zipper right there. You can put the charger in there or anything you want. Also has a place to put a drink if you need to here. There's also a little storage area right here, right underneath there. So if I want the charger there, or if somebody wanted to put a bag or a purse or anything, you could put it underneath there really easy. It gives you an option that you can add armrest. I don't have the armrest on here, but you can add armrest if you choose to. So that is an option there. You have a 50, I believe it was a 51-inch turning radius, so not bad for a four-wheel mobility scooter here. The other thing that I like to show is ground clearance is 3.7 at the mid deck, and the mid deck means right here. And then it is 1.85 at the motor. That's one thing that Pride Mobility does a good job of. A lot of people just say they give you the highest ground clearance, which I really don't understand. You really need to know the lowest ground clearance. But at 1.85, that's still a good clearance where you're going to be able to drive around most things and obstacles and not have to worry about anything. So it's pretty standard as far as that goes. What the key thing is, I'm going to show you how it folds, and then I'll go over the weight. So when we want to fold this unit, there's a lever right here. All I have to do is raise this up, and this folds down just like that, okay? And then with the tiller, I'm gonna go ahead and turn the unit off here. I'm gonna undo that lever, lay that down like this, and then I'm gonna lock it in, okay? So your unit with the battery included is 49 pounds. It's all one piece. What's nice about this is it's only 12 inches as far as when you take the pouch off, it's only 12 inches in height. So that's really nice. I mean, that keeps it really low, really compact. Another feature that I like about it is I can sit it upwards just like this. It's not gonna tip over or fall. So if you wanna store this in a closet or somewhere like that, you can. And it stands really easy. There's these little levers right here that keep it balanced, and you can just set it just like that. So real nice, easy to deal with there. On the back here, we're gonna show you the battery can be unlocked, and then I pull this out, okay? So I think it is actually 9 pounds, the battery is. And let me verify that. Just want to make sure I've got that right. Yes, so we're dealing with 9 pounds on the battery, and it is a 11.7 lithium ion battery. This is airline approved. So you will be able to take this on the airlines with you. I always recommend check with the airlines. You can also charge it right here off the chair. So I can charge it as well. So that's a nice feature. You don't have to, if you want to leave this in the car and just bring in the actual charger, the batteries, you could do so. So real easy feature. This sits back, goes right on there, and then it locks in place. So you're not gonna have to worry about it coming apart or anything like that. Also, when I wanna raise it back up, I literally just lift this lever, it locks back in place, and you're ready to go. So it's fairly easy to deal with. You're not having to take a lot of pieces apart or do anything like that. So keep in mind, you won't find a more friendly unit to use. If you want to come by one of our locations, you're welcome to and try this out. We'd be glad to show it to you. We can ship all over the continental United States. So if you have a need for it, call us up, 615-730-9438. You can also visit us at allstarmedicalusa.com. We'll be glad to help you with anything. And as always, thanks for watching.